Hello tech lovers, today's video is on F190 MINI Drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. It's fun to have a drone. It provides lots of memorable times and lots of enjoyable times. It helps to have lots of quality time with family. But big drones or normal drones can be costly and out of budget for some of us. So, it is fun to have a mini drone. Mini drones are budget-friendly, but mini drones have some qualities and features we should know about and judge those qualities and features before buying a drone. Without wasting more time, let's jump into the features and qualities. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. F190 MINI Drone is 16.3 by 16.8 by 4.2 centimeters when it is unfolded, and it is 6.8 by 8.7 by 4.2 centimeters when folded. The design of this drone is decent. It also has a carrying bag that is 15.5 by 18 by 7.5 centimeters. With a great battery design and cool LED lights, the looks of this drone are fun to watch. The folded look provides a cool vibe. With its high-definition camera, it provides 4K high-definition footage with higher sharpness. The high-definition pixel lens provides clear picture quality. The front camera provides 4K high-definition footage, and the bottom camera has a high-definition lens. The drone is provided with black technology for aerial photographers. The double-camera leap multi-angle lets experience the thrill of sprinting. This drone is equipped with a module large battery. This module design has made its battery easy to install and remove. The battery can be replaced at any time. The replacement feature is to provide more fun instantly. When one battery is over, you can have another portion of enjoyment instantly with this module design. One of these batteries will provide about 10 minutes of flight time. Now it is time to discuss various functions of F190 MINI Drone. It can be cleverly folded for strength. Its folded design is so clever, and it is contemporary too. It made it easy to carry. The surface is covered with aviation polyamide and polycarbonate material. This drone is provided with multiple one-button control experiences. These simple control systems provide ease in controlling a drone. These one-touch control features let beginners easily control the drone. 360-degree stun troll is a common feature in most mini drones. It is an impressive and exciting one. It is fun to watch and it provides amazing clips too. In this drone, it is a one-click performance. It is now easy to have fun. Zooming ability is a great feature to have. Zooming ability gives the photographer freedom to have closer and more beautiful framing and views. It provides the ability to get closer to subjects. As usual, the more zooming ability, the more fun and the more freedom. This drone is provided with 50 times zooming ability. So, there are lots of fun to shoot with this ability. Hovering is a feature that provides premium clips and stable clips. It fulfills the requirement of some scenes. Some scenes only require a stable shot, and moving here and there makes the shot lose its weight. And this drone is such magic that it's been very easy to have hovering. It will provide you with stable hovering indoors and outdoors, and no worries about bombs. The eagle perspective lets everyone experience an amazing shooting quality and smooth sky ride. Mobile phone control is a cool thing to have in a drone. It lets the flyer control his or her drone with a mobile phone. And it is very contemporary to have. Everybody has mobile phone, and it is very exciting to be able to control a drone with mobile phone. It also has beauty filters, and with these beauty filters you can make your photos and videos lovely to watch. It lets you have creative MV production with one-click sharing. You can also make 20-second movies and 60 seconds movies. With Smart Gesture feature, it is easy to capture photos or videos. No need for extra hassles and extra actions to capture photos or video. That's why this feature is loved by most of the people. And the question is, why wouldn't they love? It makes the photo and video capturing process easy as pie. It is covered with LED night flight lights. There is a line around the drone that makes it kind of visible in the dark, so that It doesn't make any disaster or anything like that. It is a necessary feature, and there is no doubt about it. These cool LED lights full guard protection lets your mini drone become a shining star in the night sky. Put on the protective frame and refuse to scratch. It has headless mode to provide some much-needed ease. Without this feature understanding, the directional thing is tough for many of the flyers. It is a very beginner-friendly feature. It lets people control their drones easily. Gravity sensor is an exciting feature to have. It moves the drone according to how you move your device. 4K level transmission. Transmission is a must-have feature in drones. The enjoyment of flying a drone drops instantly when there is no transmission feature in a drone. This drone provides 4K level transmission. It lets you clearly restore the shooting scene. The image is smooth and delicate. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the drone. The pros of this drone are: the design is smart and beautiful. Smart hovering is better than others. 50 times zooming ability, beautiful night lights. The cons of this drone are: small battery capacity, no smart following. Hearing all these features and qualities, you should have come to a decision now. This mini drone is a good one to have. The features and qualities are decent enough to buy this budget-friendly drone. You can try this amazing drone if you want. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.